Hey everyone, it's Danielle. So I thought I would just share a little video on how to cut your own hair. Since most of the salons are closed because of the coronavirus, this is how I've been cutting my hair. And as you can see, it's pretty long and pretty healthy, but you're gonna look very silly doing it. Okay, so first, you're gonna flip your hair all the way upside down. Brush out all those tangles. The longer your hair is, it seems like the more tangles you can get, right? All right. So, here's the fun part. You get a bunch of hair ties. And you're going to start with doing a hair tie right here. Scoop all your hair up. Make sure it's nice and even. Right here on your forehead. I'm going to tie that up there. Do I look silly now? I look like a unicorn. Okay, so brush that out. Then you're going to want to continue to tie it. Small spurts so it doesn't have a lot of places to roam. That way you would get an uneven cut. Okay, so I've got 3, as you can see. Okay, scissors. Now you're going to want to make sure you get it flat and straight. See how it's already kind of level? That was from my last cut. I haven't done it in a while. Take off about that much. Okay. Maybe a little more. All right. Straight and even, right? Okay. With this method, you can upkeep on your hair, keep it looking healthy and fresh, and actually help it grow a lot faster. So I'm going to show you guys from the back, the even of 7. I can't really see that. Right. And that's how I cut my hair at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a like.